Thank you. Breakfast time. I'm getting in the car. Welcome to Breckenridge. Whoa, slippery. Oh yeah, it's nice and chilly. Okay, I don't think I've explained what we're doing. We are going on a 3-day trip just up to Breckenridge with my grandparents and Jet. So, yeah, that's what the next 3 days are going to be. I'm going to try and keep the car vlogs, but definitely not for this. So, enjoy it. Alright, we're doing the Avalanche cabin escape room. Checking out the quality one. It's on that tag behind it. I'm assuming a lot because it's a Bowie Veal. I've always wanted a pocket watch. What?
I have a couple of these.
Say hello.
Hi, you're adorable.
That's Stella.
Stella?
Oh, we have a dog named Stella.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Good dog name.
Yeah. Oh, you're cute. There's a velociraptor. Look at this stone, it's weird as heck. Look at this. It's got... It makes a double image. That's cool.
Yeah, there's some best stuff on there.
Look at that one. Look at that. That's so bizarre. So it's my birthstone right there, amethyst. It's super cool. It's actually like in this form. What?
The lemurs. I have a piece of this. It's so cool.
That's cool. But it is basically like full silver compared to fool's gold.
Yeah.
All that. Come look at this pyrite over here. Stuff.
Oh wow.
Giant chunks of it. That one has like quartz in it and stuff.
What about?
Nice, and off to the side, right here.
Here's your drink menu, and for food, just scan it.
So it's lunchtime, and this is what I decided to order. Compare that to Jet's Burger. I didn't think this through. It actually went down really easy. It's really good. I'm not ashamed for eating that much. Done. I ate it all. Candy.
Those are so good. The Legos.
Yeah, Legos.
Which are?
The Legos.
Get them.
See if they have Skittles, Jolly Ranchers, Big Hunks.
Huh?
Let's get our stuff.
Yeah.
A lot of gear here, but
Yes, I do.
That's yours.
And then this is my camera gear and
that
stuff.
up there.
You got everything? Let's go. Nice.
Wow. Really big.
Oh wow.
Expecting something like what we had in Colorado Springs.
Really?
Yep.
Oh cool. That's the outside switch?
Where? That one.
Oh.
And that's like.
You guys are
Cool. Oh nice.
Well, here. You guys can take turns sleeping in the big bed.
I don't care. How you even get to this upper bunk? Like, are these the steps? That is uncomfortably far away from the wall. Like, it's a full arm's length from the wall. Huh. TV. It is now 7:20 almost, which means we're going to our escape room. Well, that ain't working, right?
Hey guys, come on in. Feel free to grab a seat. I'm going to go double check the room really quick, make sure everything's good to go. I'll be back with just a few things to get to go through before we start.
Cool. Set on the tissue box. It's fine.
Come on in, take a look around.
I'm putting this right here.
Everybody's snowing out right now. So, everything inside of the cabin will be part of the game, except for this couch here. There's nothing in it, underneath it, or underneath the rug. It's simply for your comfort, or you can organize some of your items on it as well.
Cool.
Same with this desk and basket, not a part of the game, but feel free to organize your backpack items. And also same with this coat hanger, not a part of the game, but feel free to hang up any jackets or anything else you find. And yeah, here's your
That's
timer.
gonna have something to do with
This
it.
is part of the game. The time starts now. Please enjoy your stay.
We're in trouble now.
What do we got in the bag?
Get the bag and open it. Let's see
I'm
what's in it.
looking, I'm trying to figure out the zippers.
It's a zipper bag. Doesn't have. Oh,
Flashlight, that's good.
well, here's part of the instructions for the radio.
So what's the say to
This is
do?
gonna open. Here's this piece.
What? A mirror. Oh,
Mirror?
you go like this.
Oh yeah. So this is part of the instructions for the radio, and there's the radio over there.
So we gotta find the three pieces.
Yep.
Something looks like a can. There's a ball up in here, but I'm not sure how we get it.
Is this a clue? Look. 1, 3,
Stop.
8. You think?
No.
What is it?
I do. 1, 3, 8.
138. Nothing.
Wait, why 138?
1,
Buttons.
3.
Would it be 1348? Because the next person has 4.
It's
What about this one? Oh no, that's actually just to out.
a lock key.
Here, I'll put it in the electrical out.
Yeah.
The,
We can take stuff off. We can take the picture frames, right?
No.
Yep. Because
oh yeah, there you go.
138.
Yeah, try it there.
Enter.
Right here. Nope.
Okay.
Do.
Press the music note.
Did you guys find a pad of paper?
On the shelf?
What has a 2-diamond pattern?
Yeah.
Aha!
Yeah, hey.
Not sure what we found, but we found
Do not,
something.
do not touch, and you immediately grab it.
This one doesn't open. Okay.
This. Naval Command. Oh yeah, we're gonna play a board game in our last 40 minutes.
It's nothing on the.
Yeah.
That one was left.
Yes. So just push it all the way. There we go.
Why are they different?
More coordinates. A friendly chess game with arrows, queen, rook, king, calendar. So this is different chess pieces. Nope. Turn right. After we figure out the combo.
What does that mean?
What more? Nope. I'll lock this out.
Oh, I found the other battery.
Turn on the flashlight. I bet it's gonna work, but. Hey, pop up, where's that battery?
Here.
We need this for. I'm assuming this log doesn't do anything, so I'm not gonna. That's all I'm gonna do. What am I supposed to do with this?
Attention, if there's anyone out there in need of assistance, please send your GPS coordinates to help our search and rescue efforts.
What goes in there?
Black and
There's
silver.
a high risk of a second avalanche. Please evacuate the area immediately.
Black and silver GPS module.
We're missing that.
Yes, which I want to see what happens if we go through the others to see if they have other hints. Ace, ACE.
Well, A is.
I already tried that.
We tried that.
135. If we're going off just regular alphanumeric. Nope. Two keys.
Oh, there's a flare.
The flare. One of them is the. Oh, nope. Other one. Jet. Swap. It says flare on the tag.
Wait, no, they're both flare.
Oh. 10731.
That's not right then. Yeah.
10605.
Coordinates received. Hang in there, we'll have someone come by shortly.
No. Is there any way you can signal your location?
Sit tight, we're coming to you. We found you. The back door's stuck. We're rubbing the stool down the chimney.
Chimney?
Oh.
Oh, there's a.
Oh, I'm trying it in all the locks. There's one. Oh, come on. Hey, we did it.
Congratulations, guys. Made it out in 54 minutes and 22 seconds.
Wow.
Yeah.
Nice.
I had my doubts.
Hey, you guys did awesome, though.
Let's get out. Okay, thank you.
You guys take care.
Thanks a lot.
That was fun.
That was fun. It is now
You
8:30.
see, if we had just started going through all those numbers, we eventually would have got it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I wonder if it would have locked us out like the safe did, though.
Yeah, well, that's possible, yeah.
How are you guys? Good.
Good. I think a double waffle cone s'mores sounds really good. So I'm looking at these tours, and one of these is not like the other. They have ghostly tales, strange but true, voices from the grave, English tea. One of these isn't like the other. That's funny. Thank you. That looks so good. Oh, this is good.
Crap, that's more ice cream than I really wanted. I should have just had a single, I guess.
This is not a very efficient sprinkler. Hey!
I just turned it on.
Convenient. Back to the room. Did you just lock it? Oh, nice.
So from at our new house,
It's an automatic locker.
no,
Oh.
they somehow managed to install the lock backwards. So now I'm used to doing it the other way. It's like whenever I'm doing any other lock other than the front door, I always mess it up.
Jeez. Okay, that was a ton of fun today. This is gonna be, we're gonna stay up here for tonight, up tomorrow, all day tomorrow, and then we're gonna be through. We're leaving Thursday, so you have at least 3 videos from this. So if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Until next time, goodbye.